That is very cool. So just some excavators and all these old tools.
That's correct. And they cut them up to plant these on this is kind of the trial run of it. Planning on having one about twice its size.